Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloomberg for trading. First, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the terminal's interface. The command line is your best friend for navigating quickly. Just type a function code like X for equity screening or FXC for currency analysis. You can also customize your workspace to display up to 4 different panels, showing charts, news, and order books simultaneously. This initial setup is crucial for efficient trading. For in-depth market analysis, Bloomberg offers powerful tools. You can pull up detailed charts for any asset, comparing performance over various periods from 1 day to 10 years. Dive into company financials using the FA function, or explore industry trends with BUY. The terminal provides access to thousands of economic indicators, helping you understand macro trends that influence market movements. This research is vital for making informed trading choices. When it comes to executing trades, Bloomberg's MSX platform is integrated for seamless order placement. You can send orders to various brokers directly from the terminal, managing your entire workflow in one place. Keep a close eye on your open positions and overall portfolio performance with real-time updates. The risk management tools allow you to analyze potential exposures and ensure your trading strategy aligns with your risk tolerance, providing a comprehensive view of your investments. Beyond the basics, Bloomberg offers advanced features to enhance your trading. Set up custom alerts for specific price targets or breaking news, ensuring you never miss a critical market event. For quantitative analysis, the Excel API allows you to pull real-time data into your own models, giving you a powerful edge. Plus, you can connect with a vast network of financial professionals through the messaging system, fostering collaboration and insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.